Hello. ZomperRM is a batch file renaming tool created in collaboration with OpenAI ChatGPT. In the following video, I will highlight the features of ZomperRM and take you through a practical demonstration. When you open ZomperRM, you will notice the directory field at the top of the application is red. This is red to indicate that no path is currently set. There's also a warning message at the bottom of the application that will disappear once the directory field is set. You can set the directory field by either clicking the Browse button and selecting the directory containing the desired files you wish to rename, or by simply pasting a directory path into the directory field. When the directory is set, the field will change from red to green to indicate an active path is present. Any operations within the application will be performed on files and folders within the set directory path. At the top of the application in the Directory Selection module, you can see three buttons called JSON, CSV, and Text. Clicking these will save a respective file containing a formatted list of the files in the selected directory. This might be useful for situations where you need to record a list of the files. It's very important to ensure you have the correct directory selected, as the process of altering file names is not reversible, and the consequences of renaming system files can cause serious issues. The first module is called the Renaming module. This module allows you to directly change the complete existing file name to a new file name. The module contains options to include folders and filtering the renaming operation to files containing a specified string of characters. The module also allows you to add tags into the name input field to allow for dynamic entries such as dates and sequences. The next module is called Select and Prefix. This module essentially allows you to target specific files using file types, extensions, filter by string, and by nth file. The intended purpose is to target a specific set of files using the varying options and then prefix the files with a number. So you can then use the other modules, such as the Renaming module above, to filter by the prefixed number. Within the Select and Prefix module, there's also an option to organize the files. Pressing this will organize all files into folders based on extension type. Those folders will be subcategories within a folder called Collection. The Organize feature will also take into account all the options within the Select and Prefix module. The next module is the Character Transformer module. This module allows you to make varying changes such as change all characters to no caps or with caps, remove spaces, or reverse the file name characters. As with the other modules, you can use a filter option to isolate specific files that contain a specified string of characters. The next module is the Insertion module. This module allows you to insert characters at a specific character position. Note that the first character of the file name is considered to be 1, and the insert position of the new string will be after the number you provide into the insert position field. For example, if you enter a value of 3, then the text will be inserted after 3 characters. You can also filter the affected files using a specified string of characters. The text field also accepts tags in the same way as the Rename module. One final feature is the ability to use angle brackets within the Insert Position field to indicate the start or end of the file name. The Removal module allows you to remove characters from the file names. This is indicated by the remove position and the length of characters after the remove position. Note that the first letter is considered to be 0. Please see the preview area for a more clear example of how the files will be renamed. As with the other modules, you can filter this operation using a specified string of characters. The Replace module allows you to replace a string of characters with another string of characters. This module also allows for tags to be used in the With input field. As with the other modules, you can filter this operation using a specified string of characters. Please note that this module, along with the others, are cap-sensitive. Finally, the Move module allows you to move a string of characters from one position in the file to another position based on the from, length, and to values. In this instance, it's really useful to observe the preview area to get a sense of how this works. Once you have entered the Move From value and set the length, you can click into the To input field and simply move the values up and down with the arrow keys while watching the preview area to see the characters moving back and forth. As with the other modules, you can filter this operation using a specified string of characters and also select to include folders. The tagging system allows for many varying dynamic entries to be inserted into the file names from within the Rename, Insert, and Replace modules. You can click the Show Tags list to see a list of all currently available tags that can be used. Please note the tags must be within brackets and all lowercase characters. The sequence tag is unique in that it will require you to enter a starting number for the sequence. If no tag sequence is used in a file name, the file names will automatically be given a sequence to avoid file naming conflicts. One final note: every UI element has tooltips. If you hover your mouse over a UI element, you will be presented with a short description of that tool and its intended functionality. Thank you for taking an interest in ZomperRM, and I sincerely hope you find it useful. Next, I will show you a practical demonstration of ZomperRM in action.